Hi, I'm Kenzie and I'm 9. Welcome to CMTV Kids. Today we're going to be making an origami bookmark. For this project, you will need a square sheet of paper. Mine is 5 by 5. My mom also made me a little folding mat to make it easier to explain my instructions. Start by putting your paper in front of you, like a diamond. Fold corner D to meet corner B. Try to make them match the best you can. You should now have a triangle. Fold corner A to meet corner B. Repeat by folding corner C to meet corner B. This makes a diamond. Unfold the corners so you have a triangle again. Take the top part of corner B and fold it down to the base. Take corners A and C and fold them back toward corner B. Then tuck the points into the pocket like this. Get creative and decorate. I used my mom's border maker to turn this one into a book-eating monster. Now it's time to show off your creations. Thanks for crafting with me. Bye!
Hello, CM Kids. My name is Cheryl, and this is my daughter Helena, and today we are going to show you how to make an origami bookmark.
So, what you're going to need to make this bookmark is some colorful paper, and you're going to need to cut it down so it's 5 inches by 5 inches. You can also make it slightly bigger, but we recommend this size. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your paper and you're going to turn it so it's a diamond shape, so it's like a diamond. And you're going to fold it up so that it meets in the middle and is flush, like so. Then it looks like this, from there to here. Then you're going to take the corner and you're going to fold this corner up to this corner, like so. Again, trying to make sure it's flush. Then you're going to do the same thing on this side. Flush, straight as possible. So then you're going to have what looks like this. And then you're going to take it and you're going to fold in the middle down to here. Then you have something that looks like this. Then you're going to take these and fold it in. Fold it, and then do the same for the other side. In. And you have your little bookmark.
Okay, CM Kids, let's just review those folds one more time. Starting with a 5-inch square, the first thing you're going to do is
you're going to turn it so it's a diamond. Fold up. meets in the middle. Like so. Bring one corner up to here. This corner. Try to make sure it's flush. The same with the other side. You have something that looks like this. And bring it down. And take the top piece. Bring it down here. Fold. And then take one side, turn, put it in, go in, there you go. You're gonna put it, so fold it inside this piece. And the same with the other side. And then you get your bookmark.
Hi everyone. Okay, so I'm here with some of my boys. There's actually one more boy and he is 15 and not going to join us today, but I'm here with all my younger boys and we are ready to make our origami bookmarks. So I'll let them tell you what they're going to do.
I'm making a dinosaur.
Yes, Joel is making a dinosaur.
And I am making a seahorse.
Yes, Levi is going to make a seahorse.
And I am making a panda.
And Nathan's making a panda. And I am going to make a minion. So, are we ready, boys?
And my seahorse is going to be orange.
That's right. Orange is a great color for a seahorse. Why not? So you're going to take your papers. We've already cut them down to our 5-inch square. And you're going to fold them up so that the corners match. And then press down. Got it?
Okay.
Yep. Line up those corners up at the top. And then fold it across. Good job, guys. Are you ready? Got it? You can even go across just to make it nice and smooth. Good job. Now the next part might be a little bit trickier. We're going to take this corner here on this side and we're going to move it up to the corner at the top. Just like so. And if you need some help, just let Mommy know.
I have some help.
Yep. What would you like me to do? I'm gonna hold it.
You play over here.
Good job, Nathan. You got it. Got it? Good teamwork, guys. And then we're going to take the other side and move it up.
Like this.
Yep.
So like this.
Just like that. And then fold it down.
Why do you think it was a tiny
Let me see.
square?
'Cause yes, it is a tiny square now. That's right. And then this is the easy part. Ready, Joel, for the next step? You're going to unfold it all. And so you're going to have a triangle. Turn yours, maybe Levi, so the flat part is against your body. Oh, leave that part. Just so it looks like a triangle. Yep. And turn your paper so it looks like Mummy's. Not
Nope.
quite. Like,
And now it looks like a plane.
yeah, kind of. And then we're going to take just the one piece of paper, not both, and you're going to fold it back.
This paper?
Yep. Fold it back.
Like this.
That's right. You got it, Nathan. Need some help, Levi? Would you like help? Just wait.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Don't we? Mom, can you hold that side down and John, can you hold that side down?
Sure.
I
Good
gotta
job,
hold them
Nathan.
both down.
Oh, not quite that far. That's a little bit too far. You just want to go.
That far?
Can I help you? Let me see.
Sort of like
Almost. The folding part is a little bit tricky, isn't it?
Yeah.
There we go.
Did I get it right?
Let me see.
Can I
You got
see
it, Nathan. Looks good. Excellent. And now we're going to take up this corner and then you're going to fold it under, kind of tuck it inside.
Can you help me with that?
I can help you for sure.
Like this?
So like
That's right.
Then we will do it with the same thing on this
Just-
side.
And both sides. That's right. You got it, Nathan.
so just like in this little pocket.
That's right, Joel. Okay.
This first
Hold it up.
I'm gonna kind of put this in that pocket.
It's kind of tricky, the last couple folds. For sure. You
Like
got it,
this?
Nathan. Yep.
Is this supposed to be there? Oh, now I get it.
Now you get it? You want to do the other side? All right, let's see.
Maybe I get it.
No,
Maybe
you're good.
better.
You're good. Just gonna tuck that in for you. And tuck this one in. You're there. You had it. Good job, Nathan. All right. We all have it folded. Let's show them what we have so far. Hold it up so they can see. And you know what? Now we're going to decorate. So we will be right back.
We're back.
And starting with the best, we have the dinosaur.
Yours.
And I have a seahorse.
And I made a minion.
This is my panda. And thanks for joining us.